Man, let me put you on game real quick. You could drop the illest video on YouTube, clean edits, heavy value, smooth delivery, but if your thumbnail ain't hitting, nobody's clicking, nobody's watching, and that's the truth most creators don't want to face. The game don't start with the video, it starts with the thumbnail. Now, I ain't no Photoshop wizard, and I sure ain't dropping $200 every time I need a thumbnail that might get clicks. But then I found Pikzels, and bruh, it flipped everything. You got a thumbnail you like? Drop the link. Pikzels recreates it with your face. Add a title, pick your vibe, boom, it's click ready. And I ain't lying, it really puts your face on the design. You upload 10 pics of yourself and now your AI persona is built in. Every expression, every pose, automated. No design skills, no wasted hours, just results. I tested it. Before Pikzels, my CTR was stuck at 3%. After, 9.6%. Same video. Different thumbnail. You don't need a degree in design. Just tell the AI, skydiving in a thunderstorm, terrified face, bold yellow text, I almost died. Seconds later, thumbnail looking like a movie poster. And it ain't just one style. Pikzels got all 12 of YouTube's top performing formats. Action-based, perspective, object-only, bold text, reaction, all of it. Edit with a click, redo with a tap, change the color, switch expressions, drop new text. It listens. And here's the wildest part. Excited, $1 gets you 150 thumbnails your first month. That's less than your favorite energy drink. Big creators spend hundreds. You get the same tools, same formats, same results for pennies. And yo, if you really got hustle, use Pikzels to offer thumbnails as a service. Flip them for profit. Update your old content. Multiply your wins. So stop waiting for luck. Start making thumbnails that get clicked. Click the link in the description right now and try it for just $1. Upload your pics, plug in your video, let the AI do the heavy lifting. And if you want more tools like this, tap in with aijohns.com. It's where I break down all the Johns that help real creators win. I'm Justin from North Philly. If this helped you, drop a excited go birds in the comments. Like, subscribe, and stay tuned, because this is how we stop being invisible and start getting seen.